Writing a formal cover letter is an important step in the job searching process. In this YouTube video, I'll write a cover letter example for recent graduates to help you out. Now, once you are done writing your own version, I would advise you to download matching and professional looking resume and cover letter templates. Click on the link in the description for more information. Now, before I get started, let me first emphasize on the most important writing tips. The first writing tip is to use a suitable font and font size. Calibri, Arial or Times New Roman with a 10 to 12 point font size will do. Secondly, keep your cover letter short, concise and to the point, with around 300 words. You also need to divide your letter into 4 paragraphs, including an introduction, motivation, matching and closing paragraph. Thirdly, avoid clichés, don't babble, and focus on what you will deliver. For example, many graduates with little working experience include sentences like, "This job would be a dream come true, ever since I was born," or "I am the perfect fit." Without any context, these sentences don't mean anything. And that brings us to the fourth key point of attention, because your cover letter is a supplement to your resume. So do not list your skills and personal traits like you do in your resume, but instead provide some background information that proves you actually obtained the necessary qualifications. At last, distinguish 2 styles, American and British English cover letters. Now let's start writing the cover letter, so I can also show you the differences between these 2 styles. First, you need to list your contact information on the left side. In between white lines underneath, we put the date and then the reader's name and position, followed by the company's information. As for the salutation, we write "Dear Mr. Parker." If it concerns a woman, then you need to write "Dear Miss Parker." If the recipient is a married woman, you can use Mrs. as the abbreviation. In case you don't know the reader's gender, then I would suggest you to write the full name, as in "Dear Jamie Parker." If you can't, after thorough research, find any contact information, then I would advise you to write "Dear Hiring Manager." Now this is how you structure the beginning of an American English cover letter. For British English, you need to put the contact information and date on the right side. Then you need to put the date first, then the month, and exclude the comma. Underneath, we notice that the subject is included in the British English letter. It is commonly used in the UK, but usually left out in the US. For American usage, the month is placed first, followed by the date, and you need to insert a comma between the day and year. We also include a dot after the abbreviation MR or MS. For British English, you can leave it out. In the first paragraph, also called the introduction, you need to answer the what, where and why questions. So where did you find the vacancy? What position are you applying for? At which establishment? And why you? Including this information drags the reader's attention, proves your attention to detail and ability to communicate effectively. In the second paragraph, you shortly introduce yourself, followed by your motivation for the job opportunity. Try to answer questions like, what triggers you to work in software development? Or why do you want to work at their company? Show that you are in fact interested in specifically this job role at their company. In the third paragraph, you need to like this video if you like what you see so far, and subscribe for more related content. Okay, so you need to inform the reader where you currently stand, so your educational or career journey. Furthermore, you need to match your qualifications to the job requirements and try to emphasize your major achievements and experience. In the last paragraph, you need to summarize your cover letter and express your interest to further discuss your candidacy. Refer to your attached resume and include your phone number so they can easily reach out to you. Now don't forget to thank the reader for taking their time to review your cover letter and close in a compelling way. So kind or best regards, followed by your name and surname. Alright, we covered the most important writing tips and actually made an example letter of around 300 words and 4 paragraphs. Want to see this example and all of my other examples in text format? Then visit my site via the hyperlink in the description. I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will respond as soon as possible. If this video was helpful, then a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Thanks again for watching and see you next time. Bye!